Good day, everyone. I'm Roel S. De Soto from the Polytechnic University of the Philippines Graduate School. Today, I will be presenting my study entitled Digital Transformation in Property Management, Evaluating Financial, Operational, and Cultural Feasibility of Smart Parking System. Parking inefficiency continues to drain revenues, fuel congestion, and frustrate customers. Traditional system relying on manual ticketing and cash payment often suffer from revenue leakage and poor customer experience. Smart parking system or SPS have emerged globally as solution, but their feasibility in the Philippine context remain underexplored. This study bridges technology adoption theories with Filipino cultural values to deliver evidence-based strategies for property management. This study is guided with key objectives. First, to assess financial feasibility through revenue optimization, cost reduction, and return of investment indicators. Second, to evaluate operational efficiency via automation, real-time tracking, and congestion reduction. Third, to analyze stakeholder readiness and acceptance using TAM, UTAUT, and Technology Readiness Index. Fourth, to explore cultural alignment through Filipino psychology, specifically kapwa Churi. And finally, to examine digital enablers such as mobile payments, automated ticketing, and AI-based monitoring. To address these objectives, I applied theoretical frameworks, the Technology Acceptance Model, or the TAM, the Unified Theory of Acceptance and Use of Technology, or the UTAUT, the Diffusion of Innovation Theory, and Kapwa Theory from Filipino Psychology. These frameworks allow us to evaluate not just technical feasibility, but also social and cultural readiness. This study uses a narrative literature review design. The approach involved thematic and conceptual synthesis of global, Asian, and Philippine sources. Sources include peer-reviewed journals, industry report, case studies, and theoretical model. The analysis process include thematic grouping, critical synthesis gap, identification, and conceptual integration. The outcome is a set of evidence-based recommendation for smart parking system implementation. Financially, smart parking system increase revenue by 15 to 30% through dynamic pricing, mobile payments, and reduced leakage. ROI is typically achieved within 2 to 3 years in commercial setting. Operationally, smart parking system reduces congestion by up to 40% through real-time tracking and automated entry and exit. Transaction times drop from 30 seconds to under 10 seconds. Stakeholder readiness show high acceptance when systems are intuitive and trustworthy. But resistance occurs when digital literacy is low or data privacy concerns arise. Culturally, Filipino values such as kapwa and bayanihan favor inclusive cooperative systems, making adoption more sustainable when aligned with the relational harmony. In conclusion, uh, Smart parking system is financially viable, optimizing revenues and delivering a return of investment. It is operationally efficient, is improving customer experience and reducing manpower costs. Stakeholder readiness is moderate, requiring trust building and training. And culturally, smart parking system aligns with the Filipino values, emphasizing cooperation and inclusivity. Based on these findings, I propose the following recommendation. Financial strategies, phased deployment, dynamic pricing, and public-private partnership. Operational improvements, IoT integration, redundancy system, and KPI monitoring. Stakeholder engagement, uh, training, transparency, and pilot testing. Cultural alignment, interfaces designed with Filipino values, multilingual support, and participatory feedback loops. The impacts are clear. Financial impact, it includes revenue, faster return of investment, and long-term cost savings. For operational impact, it reduces congestion, faster transaction, and better space utilization. For stakeholder impact, uh, higher acceptance with proper training and trust building. For cultural impact, alignment with kapwa and bayanihan, fostering cooperation and inclusivity. Overall, smart parking system is visible and transformative, and it provides a model for other Philippine commercial properties. This study is supported by both academic and legal references, including Al-Karabshe and Al-Debay 2023 systematic review on smart parking system. A local feasibility studies from the University of San Jose Recoletos in Cebu. Philippine laws such as RA 4136, RA 7160, Presidential Decree 1096, or the National Bidding Code of the Philippines, uh, Republic Act 4136, uh, and the Metro Manila Development Authority Regulation on Traffic and Parking Enforcement. Thank you for your listening. I welcome your questions and insights as we explore how smart parking system can transform property management in the Philippines.